What's going on, family? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the people that has already subscribed to my channel and that already watching my videos and my strategies and learning from it, and commenting down below and following my journey as a FTMO funded trader. So hopefully, if you haven't subscribed yet, you subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss out on any videos that I may be posting about my FTMO journey. So as you can see, guys, here to the left, this is my second FTMO account, 200k account, swing account, and we're just waiting for another trading day to go into that 10 days minimum trading day, so we can pass the test, so we can pass everything, so they can give us the verification account, and we can go ahead and get funded for a total of $400,000 in total of funded accounts. So as you can see here, a lot of people were confused on my other videos about the lot sizes that I'm using for my account and why I'm securing profits so early. So that is one of the questions that a lot of people have, why I'm securing profits so early and why I'm using these big lot sizes for my account. Some people say that in the long run it's not gonna be positive for me. It's not, I'm not gonna be able to stay more on profits than the losses. But I think it's to the opposite way. This is a strategy that I've been working in and that I've been doing for a really long time, and it's been working for me really well. So as long as you have your own strategy and you already back tested that strategy and it's working for you, and you have I'm not gonna say perfect risk management, but as long as you have a 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3 risk management, you're gonna be okay using whatever lot sizes you're using, and remembering the lot, the stop loss that you're gonna be placing depending on this, lot size that you're gonna be placing for the trade. So if you have a 30 lot size, you put a 30 stop loss, and that strategy is not for a 30 stop loss, and you get stopped out, you're gonna be down a lot of money. So make sure that whatever strategy you are doing and whatever strategy you have learned goes together with everything that you are doing in the account. So for example, every trade that I'm placing with a 15 lot size, which is my average, so almost all my trade 15 lot size, my stop loss is less than 1.5%. Still a lot, but because of my consistency, I'm able to always secure more profits than losses. And this is what you want to implement into your strategy. You want to be more consistent, you want to secure more profits than losses, and you want to be able to place a couple of trades only. So the less trade you place on an account, the more chances you have of winning and ending the day on profits. So like I said before, yes, I'm placing 15 and 30 lot sizes on my account, and as you can see, since the beginning, my winnings are double, triple what my losses are. So as long as you are consistent, this is only my 18th trade, as you can see on the account. And yes, I'm having good results with 15 lot sizes. Can be better, but as long as you end the day positive and you go day by day with good results, trust me, no matter the lot sizes you're using, you're gonna be okay. Now, I don't recommend everybody to use the same lot size that I'm using for the account that I'm using, because it's probably you mentally, psychology you're not gonna be ready for it. So I might be ready for it, you might not be ready for it. So you're used to that 1, 2, 3, 5 lots maximum. If you go in a day and you see that 1 pips is $150, and if you're using 30 lots, 1 pips is $300, you psychology, mentally, you might not be ready for those kind of numbers. So you gotta adapt to what you know, and you gotta adapt to your strategy. You cannot go ahead and place a 30 lots on a trade just because you saw me trading with 30 lots. So adapt to your strategy, see what works for you. Don't listen to anybody as long as you as your strategy is working and over the time your strategy is consistent. Don't listen to nobody. Every single trader sees the market on a different way, and as long as you are positive and you're staying consistent on profit and the right risk management, you're gonna be able to pass the challenge and be just fine. Now, there is a lot of things that goes into passing the Ftmo challenge. It's not just risk management and all of that. The mental and psychology of passing the Ftmo challenge is gonna be tough for you, especially if you're starting trading now. Not over trading is gonna be tough for you. Revenge trading is possibly gonna happen to you, because it did happen to me at the beginning, and it's possibly gonna happen to you. So you might end up the day losing. You might try to recover profit, and you're gonna end up losing more trades and more money. And by the end of the day, you already have 20, 30 positions that you have placed on a single day, and you're gonna blow the whole Ftmo challenge. So one thing that I'm gonna say, passing the challenge is tough. The verification is even tougher because you're in a rush to already get funded. So a lot of people pass the challenge, but they don't pass the verification because they already mentally, catching a lot of emotions on how it's gonna be when they have that funded account. So yes, the verification is 60 days for a reason. It's because a lot of people is gonna catch emotion and go ahead and blow that account just because they are in a rush to pass that verification stage of the challenge. So as you can see here, this is my metrics, and you see how it went up. The day that I overtraded, I was able to stop my emotions, close that trade, a break even, and went negative 502 and continue with a plan the next day till I was able to pass the challenge on 8 days. So yes, my strategy might not work for me. The lot sizes that I'm using might not work for you, but it is working for me. So as long as I keep being consistent and it's working for me, this is the strategy that I'm gonna keep using. I'm not gonna change a single thing on the strategy. So let's go into my strategy. A lot of people were confused and they wanted a little bit more advanced video on the strategy that I'm using to be able to catch these trades. So as you can see on my Ftmo account, this is the only pair that I trade. And if you saw my last video, we were on level of 152.80, so around this level when I made the video. If you haven't watched the video, go back and look at it, and you're gonna see why I say that the pair had a potential to break that key level and keep going up to 153.40, 153.30, which was another key level that I was looking at because it was being rejected multiple times to the left in the past here. So as long as I know that I'm trading with the trend of the pair, listen, you more than 60% of the time you're gonna be right, even though we're gonna see some rejection, obviously, because the market goes up and down. That's something that everybody gotta understand. It always does not go up only, it has to go down. It has to take a break to continue to the direction that it's supposed to be going. So on this particular side, in this particular way, to the upside, because we are coming from an upside momentum. We are coming from a trend, an uptrend. And let's go into the level that I said that we were at the time of me recording the last video when I uploaded it. So I didn't trade today because of Columbus Day. A lot of people didn't trade, a lot of people trade, but the pair ended up moving to a target that I initially set the day that I made the video. So as you can see, yesterday I placed trade number 18, 0.01 lot. I do that because I already have the target. I don't gotta be I don't want to be risking more than 0.1 lots since I already passed the challenge. So I'm gonna do 0.1 lot in a couple of minutes, and you guys are gonna be able to see that I passed the challenge. So actually, let me see if I can do it right now. So you guys see that I passed the challenge. So let's place another trade of 0.01 lot, and I open one trade and I'm gonna close it right away. And you're gonna see live here that I already passed the challenge. So let me reload this again. So it might take a couple of minutes for it to show here that I already passed the challenge. But we're gonna come back in a couple of minutes and you're gonna see that it says that I already, passed the challenge. Wait for the team to send me the verification account. So let's go into my strategy. Like I said, we were going with a trend. It was around 152.80. The level that I said that we have potential to go was 153.30. Because the pair was moving sideways at 152.80. So let's see if the pair is moving sideways. That's when we're gonna apply the break and retest strategy that I have that have worked for me, and it keeps working for me. So I already know the daily time frame. So this candle right here closes above the previous daily, and this candle right here open above the previous daily. That's giving me a upside momentum. That's letting me know that the pair is gonna keep going to the upside, especially after breaking this level that we were on the day that I made the video. So after that, I'm gonna just go to the 1 hour time frame, see what's happening at that level. So the level that we were talking about was this level. I see a lot of sellers and buyers. I see a lot of indecision. I see a lot of things going on. So I see that it broke in the past. So our key level was this right here, 152.85. From all the way 152.80 to 152.85, that was gonna be a level. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place a horizontal line on the candlesticks that broke the highest level of the candlestick that broke the key level, which was this one right here. So let me place a horizontal line right there. Now I'm gonna go to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's go to this level right here. So as you can see, I already placed the horizontal line at this level. So yes, it's reacting as a resistance level after it broke the 152.80, which was our previous key level. So now what the pair did was it went up there, came back down, went up here to the resistance level. Why this right here, this candlestick wasn't a good confirmation for me to enter a go long? Well, it's really simple. We see a lot of rejection around this level over here. This could easily be with the bearish engulfing candle, a move to the upside. And that's exactly what happened. So bearish engulfing, obviously letting me know that now it's time for the pair to go down. Came back and retest. So broke, retest, and went to the upside. So after it came and retouched that level, when do you think is the good time for me to enter this trade? Obviously not here, because that candlestick, yes, it has a lot of momentum, but it didn't close above the previous bearish candle. So here, probably, yeah, and you were gonna be able to catch 13 pips on this move and probably close after you see that the pair was gonna keep going to the downside. But this right here is not showing a lot of volume. These candles right here are not showing a lot of value, and they keep getting stuck around this 152.81 level, this 152.80, this 152.85. So what do I want? I want a candlestick that is gonna give me the volume like this one right here, but it's also a candle that it's gonna break this level, the highest level that it touched after breaking our previous resistance level. So what can you tell me about, let's say, this candle right here? What can you tell me about this candle right here? Yes, you're probably gonna say that the pair already rejected the 152.80 Now it's time to go up. But again, we still around that area. Anything below this right here, still not a good entry point. Still not a good entry point. And if you maybe place a trend line from here to here, you're probably gonna get a good entry point. But what do you think is a good entry point? A good entry point for me will be this candle right here. A good entry point will be this candle right here. Undecisive candle, and then a bullish engulfing candle to the upside. That's what I see here. And then another candle. Obviously don't enter on the first candle. Wait for the next candle to close. And if you enter around this area over here, you are gonna be right. But what a lot of people do, and this is what I do, I wait for the previous level to be broken and enter on the next candle. So which level broke the previous highs, the previous key level. So this right here, this candlesticks right here, was the one that broke the previous highest level after breaking the support, the resistance level that we had down here. So it came, broke, and waited for that second candle. So I was probably gonna enter right here after I see that I have clear traffic to the upside. So I already see on the 5-minute time frame, I see a lot of rejection here. But those rejection is just rejecting to this level down here. The pair already is moving to the upside, and it gave me 3 bullish candles with a confirmation. So 3 bullish candles to the upside. And if I enter here, I was gonna be able to catch at least, let me tell you, to the next key level, at least 40 pips. And yes, this is not 40 pips, is not a scalping strategy, but I consider myself a scalper. But if I see that a trade has clear traffic to the next key level, guess what? I'm gonna place my stop loss at entry point. I'm gonna let it run for at least 20-25 pips, move my stop loss 10 pips above my entry point. And if it keeps going up, I'm gonna keep moving my stop loss little by little, and that's how I'm able to secure this $5, $6, $7, $8, $9,000 trades without being worrying that my trade is gonna come down to entry point or it's gonna come back to my stop loss and hit it and end the day negative, especially after I was up $5, $6, $7, $8,000 in profit. So again, this break and retest. Wait for the candles with a lot of volumes confirming that it's gonna keep going to the upside. So as you can see, all this bearish candle after it broke, there doesn't have a lot of volumes. So it doesn't have a lot of volumes, none of them. Which candle you see that has a lot of volumes? These are candles that you see that has a lot of volume. These are candles that you see that has a lot of volume, reacting to 5 minutes wicks and 5 minutes doji that you see down here. These are confirmation candle right here. These 3 confirmation right here. Plus you have the trend confirmation number 1, 2 broken retest confirmation number 2, and now you're seeing a lot of volume to the upside on some 5 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minute candlesticks. It's gonna let you know that it's gonna keep going to the upside. Why I'm not worrying about this candle, undecisive candle with no volumes up here? Because it's doing, and it already broke the previous highs that I made after it broke the key level up here. So it's doing, yes, all this side move, undecisive move here with candlesticks. So this is a perfect entry for me. Yes, it's probably might come down and hit this level right here again, or it's probably gonna come down and hit this level again, but I doubt it after it breaks and retest and go up. So break, retest, wait for the channel to be broken to continue to the upside, plus above the 20, 50, and 200 EMA. You cannot go wrong with this trade. This was a beautiful trade to the upside, and it broke levels that I think that it didn't, it wasn't gonna be broken. So I hope you guys like this video. I hopefully you understood a little bit on my trading strategy, what I look for at the moment of entering a trade, and hopefully I'm able to do live trades. It's a really hard for me since it's London section. I don't want to turn on lights and all this stuff. But hopefully I can do it in the future. But subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on my video, so I'm able to keep making more videos for you guys, and you are able to follow my journey as a FTMO funded trader. So see you guys next time, and follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave a link down below to my personal Instagram, so you are able to follow me. But before I leave, wait a minute, because I think we already hit the 10 days. We're gonna reload this and you're gonna see what happened. Ooh, so you see what happened? 10 days, challenge pass, currently trading objective are completed. Congratulations, we'll verify your account and we will contact you as soon as possible. So guys, it is officially, we're going into the verification account, so stay tuned for that. See you guys next time.